All right, I want to show you real quick how to use Cam Scanner to be able to submit your work. So you can download the free app, Cam Scanner. You can see in the very bottom left-hand corner, there's the icon that says Cam Scanner, so I'm going to tap that. It will open up the app for me. And the very bottom, in the middle, is an icon of a camera. I'm going to tap that. And you'll notice when I do that, right in the middle, for about half a second, it said batch. So it's automatically in batch mode, meaning I can take multiple images and create one PDF. So I have a picture of, I have a paper that I've done some work on. So I don't want to get too crazy close. I'm going to kind of zoom out just a little bit. And this is just me moving my camera up and down here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the camera button in the very bottom, and it's going to take a picture for me. And then I want to go ahead and create more images. So let's say I look at my next piece of work. So I'm going to have 2 images here. And then let's say I do a third one. So let's say I have 3 pieces of paper that are in my document that I want to submit. So in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see the preview of one of the images with the badge 3. So I'm going to tap that icon. And Cam Scanner tries to like auto-correct and auto-crop. I'm going to drag, let's say, the bottom right-hand corner and fix the issue of Cam Scanner not really doing a very good job here. So I can adjust the photo here. You can even see in the very bottom row, I can turn the picture left. I can retake the picture if I don't like this option. The bottom as well, you can see 3 out of 3. I'm going to hit the little left arrow. There's my second image. It auto-cropped it, did a good job. Looks like it did a good job on that first image. So there's my 3 images that are cropped properly. So the very bottom right-hand corner, I'm going to click the green check mark, and it's converting everything into a PDF document here. So here is my here are my 3 images and my PDF that's going to become what I scan and save. So down in the very bottom row, you can see the icon email. So the way I like to do this is I click that email option, and I'm going to email a PDF. Now, if you've never emailed before, what it's going to do is ask you what is your email that you're sending from, right? So I'm using my email typed in, my email address that I want to send from what account. The very upper right-hand corner, I'm going to click the send button, and it's bringing up my email, and it's attaching as a PDF. So I'm going to go ahead and just email it to myself here. And then I'm going to go onto my desktop computer, my laptop. I'm going to download the PDF, and then I'm going to go into Canvas and submit, or whatever other manner I would be utilizing this PDF for.